What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where today we have our best look at the Alfa Romeo Tonale, just so close to its reveal. Now, we talk very often about the Tonale, and in fact, the wait is ending and the debut on the road is already set in less than a year, and the Tonale has a big task placed on its shoulders to be a useful car to revive the current fortunes of the brand that only has 2 models on their list. Well, the commercial debut, as Jean-Philippe has declared for some time, is set for next June of 2022. June 4th to be exact, in dealerships. However, the first official images of the real CUV should be released by the end of this year, now that more than 2 years have passed since the concept debut at the Geneva Motor Show. Now, this is a very interesting render, once again done by Alfa, who did the Maserati Gran Turismo for 2022 that I adored. Now, the well-known newspaper, in fact, has defined the lines of the future Alfa Romeo Tonale, starting with the latest spy images. And the front, however, adopts the headlights that can be seen on a part of the production. It now seems clear that from the latest images relating to the recent road test, that the headlights of some versions will almost be faithfully following the design of what has already been seen on the Tonale concept. The rear section, on the other hand, is very interesting. It actually represents a part that is not very yet easy to identify. The images we have enjoyed so far have shown, in fact, evidence of camouflage that leaves little room for possible assumptions. And the setting provided by Alfa's renderings still appear feasible and very pleasant. The 2 exhaust terminals that remain embedded in the lower part of the bumper are also very interesting. In Pagnano d'Arco, there is a great expectation because the Alfa Romeo Tonale will be produced right at the Campania plant, where today the Jeep Compass is produced, with which the Tonale will share the platform and probably also part of the engine offer. And we should see a Q4 or all-wheel drive version in accordance with the automatic transmission. Now, the suspension will use McPherson pattern in accordance with specific characterizations that will increase dynamism just like a real Alfa Romeo should. And from the point of view of engines, the new Alfa Romeo Tonale will have a 1.3-liter 4-cylinder turbo engine with increased horsepower compared to the 239 horses already available on the Jeep Compass. Now, inevitable an electrified variant with 48-volt MHEV technology that may not be available from the debut, but is not yet perfectly clear. In this case, it will be a 4-cylinder 1.5 light hybrid petrol with power between 130 and 210 horsepower. Recall that the PHEV is very important in the vision of Jean-Philippe, who also for this reason postponed the debut of the CUV. So with the diffusion of the first industrial plant of Stellantis, the new Alfa Romeo Tonale could therefore debut. But with that said, we will see the Alfa Romeo Tonale very soon, hopefully by the end of the year. We will see it in the flesh at the Geneva Motor Show in February next year, and then it will be in our dealerships June 4th of 2022. So with that said, is this not the best looking design, the best looking rendering you've seen so far from everything we've seen about the Tonale and the production model? Let me know down in the comments below what you think about this. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on this best look of the Alfa Romeo Tonale we've seen so far. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, and my Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate the love and support. Now, you guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch. You want t-shirts, stickers, hoodies, tank tops, everything Ron's Rise is there. I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. See everything I'm posting, Ferrari, Maserati, and Alfa Romeo, that doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will see you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.